I'm Nicole Snell, an instructor with Impact Personal Safety in Los Angeles. With the help of our padded assailant here, we're going to demonstrate for you some ways that you can use verbal and physical skills to keep yourself safe while traveling. All right, so the confrontation. So we're gonna start by learning awareness stance. Awareness stance is our feet underneath us, about hip width apart, hands come up. I look confident, I look aware. Now, if I'm noticing something that's potentially dangerous, I'm gonna move from awareness stance into what we call ready stance. One foot goes back, hands come up in front of the face, elbows in. Now, on top of that, we wanna use our voice. A lot of times we're not comfortable using our voices. And our voice is actually our first weapon. And it also can get the attention of other people nearby who can come to your assistance if needed. Now, whenever we step into ready stance, we yell no. So it looks like this. No! Self-defense isn't about what you should do, it's what you can do. So what I'm doing is I'm using the bottom part of my hand right here, right above my wrist. Open hands keeps us as safe as possible when we're striking. And I go to step in, no! And again, using my voice as I strike. Second target is the groin, and the move is a knee to the groin. With Matt here, it looks like this. No! Now, being grabbed from behind is a lot of people's worst fear because you can't see the attack coming. A lot of people feel like there's nothing they can do. It's a very scary place to be. So in this moment, I was taking a picture and I was grabbed from behind from right here. My elbows are my weapon. My target is his face, which is right behind mine. The goal is just to turn and face. No! And then I have a confrontation. Now I can do my heel palm to the face and my knee to the groin. The goal is always to get to safety as soon as you can. So this is a rear attack when you're getting into the driver's seat of your car. So I'm getting into my car, driver's side door, and I'm grabbed from behind. So my first step is going to be to assess what can I do in this moment, and I know that I have my hand free, I know his groin is right behind mine, and I'm gonna deliver a groin strike. No! And then turn and face. What if the attack is coming from behind while you're getting into the back seat of a car, for instance, a ride share? You're getting into the back seat of your ride share, and that's the moment when someone attacks. Well, if they're trying to push you into the back seat, the goal is to get your feet in between you and them and just kick. Find the groin, find the face, just find whatever target you can and just kick as hard as you can until that person is no longer a threat to you. I hope that what you've seen today helps you feel more confident about managing your safety wherever you travel in the world. We want everyone to feel safe and empowered to travel the world, live the life that they want to live, even if you're traveling by yourself, and know that you can handle yourself in a variety of different situations. Now go out there and have safe travels.